All right, now let's look at some command options. Fillet and trim, here's one that, or fillet and chamfer, here's one that goes missed a lot. So in a situation, whether you're using fillet or chamfer, both of them function in this matter. If I start the fillet command and I plug in a radius, whatever that radius might be, I apply my radius. Well, try again. Doggone you. Did I pick the wrong one? Radius, thank you. There we go. So I plug in that radius, whatever that might be, choose my objects. Now in this situation, what if I needed to just bring these to a sharp corner? Well, you can use a radius of 0 or a chamfer distance of 0. That will work perfectly fine. But what you just did is you basically erased the previous setting you had. What if that's a setting you needed to keep? Maybe it's a unique radius that you needed to keep or a unique chamfer distance. By changing that radius or that distance value to 0, you just blew that away. Well, there's a way you can keep it. So right now it's keeping that previous value I had because I used undo to get back to where I was. So it's got that previous value. I can keep that value if I hold down the shift key. Holding down the shift key and selecting your geometry defaults to a temporary value of 0. As soon as you complete that command, come back in here and restart, your original setting is still there. So that works in both the fillet and the chamfer command.